Since February 2014, UNESCO's office in Mexico, alongside Fundación Carlos Slim, have been developing a project with the sole purpose of housing the World Rock Art Archive. This project consists of an interoperational system, which allows migration of data and archives already existing in national institutions, academic and research centers, as well as private archives, creating a repository for all scientific, geographic, archaeological, and anthropological knowledge about rock art on a global scale. This system will give international and local researchers, experts, and technicians the possibility of consulting and feeding the page with information and documents related to rock art, as well as generating themed consultations and contribute to the development of knowledge and its preservation around the world. The platform consists of 4 kinds of users: a geolocation system with rock art locations, public or private information categorization, a normalized database with local, regional, and global information. Data provider. Data providers are those tasked with feeding the platform. These users will be able to add data, documents, images, videos, and audio files about worldwide rock art locations, be they National Archive data, World Heritage sites, rock art stations, or rock art sites. Once these data fields have been filled, they are sent to the project's central management for review. They will validate or reject the information, in which case the data provider will need to make corrections before publishing. Highlights: include geospatial information and multimedia files for rock art sites. Define the status of the information, be it public or private. Carry out massive data uploads. They will only be able to modify their own information without access to other users' data. Consult the status of their information during the validation process by general management. Junior administrator. Junior administrators will be able to approve or reject the site information sent in by the data provider. In case of rejection, they will add commentary to the information in need of correction and will send it back to the data provider to be corrected. Highlights: validate or reject site information. Add commentary for data correction. They will not be able to alter the data provider's submission. General user. The general user will be able to consult all public information approved by the junior administrator. This information will be available in different categories, and they will also have access to documents, videos, images, and audio files related to rock art. They will also have access to a map marked with the location of these sites. Highlights: consult public information on the sites. Use of a map with the geographic locations of rock art sites. Download multimedia content. UNESCO. UNESCO will be able to create and manage the functions for all users described. UNESCO will function as coordinator for data and quality control. It is the guardian of both the private and public repositories and the guarantor of confidentiality for data that countries or institutions deem private. Highlights: manage user profiles. Platform highlights. Review. Internationally collaborative platform. Privacy of information is guaranteed. The platform will constitute a rock art memory and conservation archive. It will facilitate interoperation between research institutions. It will generate a link with other UNESCO web platforms. It will be supported by different social media strategies.